Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up your music library on Steam. So let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the Steam main interface. Now go to the top left side of your screen and here you will find the Steam option. Click on this and select settings. Now a new window will pop up. In this, scroll down until you find the music option. Click on this and here you have to toggle all of these options, which is pause music when starting an application, pause music when voice chanting, download high quality audio files, or display a notification when a new track begins. And you can also adjust the volume of your music from right here. So that's it. You have know now how to set up your music library on Steam. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.